Paty Kany Boncayao, and this is my culinary journey. I took up culinary because I want to pursue my passion in cooking, and I want to make creative dishes that will make people happy. I want to have my own restaurant and food business someday. In culinary, my life will never get boring because there is always something to learn and to explore. My culinary journey started when I enrolled in Global Academy Alabang branch last June 20. I took up Grand Diploma in Professional Culinary Baking and Pastry. It is 8 months in-house training, and I can say that this training is never easy. It's challenging. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but giving up is never my option. If you want something, you have to work for it.
Global Academy expands my knowledge and develops my skills in cooking. Global Academy opens many doors for me in this industry, and because of the training I got from my mentors, I was able to easily adjust in the work environment of the real kitchen. As part of my program, I took my internship in Ritz, Carlton, Fort Lauderdale from October 2017 to 2018. I was nervous and excited at the same time when I found out that I had given the chance to have an internship in the United States. It's going to be a new environment and I'm going to live away from my family. During my one-year training, I was assigned in Burlac Coast Kitchen under Chef Paula de Silva. I was being rotated to different stations, from market or rubber stations, to garde-manger, breakfast, lunch, pastry, banquets, and expeditor. Working in a fast-paced and busy restaurant is challenging. I need to work long hours, double shift, and double stations. But I believe that having good attitude, dedication, and commitment to work helps me achieve my goals. Also, one of the keys is to come to work prepared and do your responsibility. Everyone in the team is helpful, and they learn different techniques and skills from every person who trains me. I am thankful that I was given the chance to work with the best chefs of Ritz-Carlton, learn new cuisines, explore new culture, and meet new people in this training. This training made me realize that culinary is more than just about cooking. It is giving your heart to your work. I learned to love and enjoy my work because if you love your work, everything will come out excellent. This experience is like a roller coaster ride. There will be ups and downs, but always be strong and believe in yourself. Going out of my comfort zone helps me grow more as a person, opens my mind on what I can do more, and helps me think bigger. Culinary is endless opportunities. And I can say that having my internship in the United States is one of the best decisions I have made in my career. Thank you to all my mentors and to all the people who helped me on what I am today. I know that this is just the beginning of my culinary journey.
So there's my story. Come and join Global Academy and imagine the possibilities. It's time to put your culinary in full color.